Kenya, which are thousands of miles apart together, that features justice, equity, a trend of history and of our times, to implement eco-friendliness, peace, and security. Global South. Thank you. That concludes my opening remarks.
In friendship and shared progress. This visit is to aligning on Kenya's political and socio-economic priorities. So immensely grateful for China's timely humanitarian support.
The signing of 20 documents.
首先，请王毅主任和布达马迪外长入座。
First, Foreign Minister Wang Yi.
请交换。
Please exchange.
请交换。
Please exchange.